This is something you can easily do yourself. The main challenge here is to get the right battery. So I'm going to show you a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery used here and what to expect after installation. These plastic fasteners are engineered to break when you're in a hurry, so gently pull the center pin upwards to unlock and remove the fastener. Then this air duct simply just pulls out. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. Loosen the nut closest to the battery post, then this whole junction box can be lifted off. Now for a change, this hold down bracket down at the base is in a very convenient location. Just one bolt to remove there. Then weighing in at 22 kilograms, this is not a mood enhancing experience, so have your chiropractor on speed dial. Give the terminals a good clean with this nifty little tool. I'll post a link in the description if you'd like to buy one. Then this new battery is exactly the same size as the old one, but I'll share some info a bit later. For now, start by fitting the positive terminal first, making sure you seat the terminal nice and low on the post before tightening. The terminal shouldn't be able to move around by hand. Then refit the hold down bracket so the battery doesn't vibrate like it's at a music festival. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. All that's left then is to fit the negative terminal and the air duct. Now I must add that this battery is specific to the 2.0 CRDI model. This enhanced flooded battery is in the 90 amp hour range with around 800 cranking amps, ideal for the diesel engine. I'll post some links in the description for the battery size used in this video. There were no warning messages on startup. You'll just need to set the time and date. You also don't need a radio code for the factory fitted radio. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.